Welcome to today's video. In this video, we take a look at the top 10 most annoying sounds you probably know. Sit back and get started. 10th spot. Harpy combat sounds. If you've ever leveled in locations like Durotar, the Storm Peaks, Mulgore or Ashenvale, chances are you've met the harpies are big. Some players think that Blizzard should remove them out of the game. Ninth spot. Goblins. I don't think this will surprise anyone. We probably all came across Goblin, time as money friend. Especially allergic to this sound are Horde players, who encounter goblins more often. In short, the tone the goblins speak is simply annoying.
Time is money, friend! Talk to me! Yo, what's up?
8th spot. Tank or healer did not confirm RDF call. Not annoying. More so painful is the sound when a tank or healer does not confirm an RDF call. Everyone who has ever leveled knows this sound. 7th spot. Toy train set. It is small train which causes all nearby players that are in your party or raid group to do train emote. A lot of people don't know that there are various add-ons that will reveal the player who put the train set. The opposite of the toy train set is the wind-up train wrecker. It is a small robot that smashes the toy train set. And be careful because toy train set item can get you kicked from a raid group if you are found to drop one for any reason. Sixth spot. Warrior charge. Nightmare of PvP players. Since charge is the warrior's main spell, you can hear it in every battleground. The worst thing is to hear this sound 3 times in a row. The only defense against charge is to be among the warrior in the range of 6 to 7 yards. That is a dead point for warriors when they can't use charge. 5th spot. Quillboard death. If you've ever been in a Razorfin crawl dungeon, you know exactly what sound I mean. There are over 100 of these quillboards in this dungeon, so I recommend turning off the sounds. You can also meet quillboard at Durotar or the Barrens. 4th spot. Warsong Gulch taken flag. The sound that does not make you feel happy is the sound that comes from the taken flag of your team. It's not exactly annoying, but it's definitely one of the least pleasant ones. Because this sound precedes the scoring of a point for the enemy team. 3rd spot. Night Elf male death. A minute of silence for all Night Elf male players who hear this sound most often. I think there are more annoying death sounds, but Night Elf male will definitely be one of the most annoying. Maybe it's also because his death animation is one of the longest. 2nd spot. I need to target something first. This sound is heard 100 times a day or even more times by a person who plays human male. Personally, this sound seems like nostalgia to me, but hearing it as a mage at every other target would bother me a little.
I need to target something first. I don't have a target. I need a target.
1st spot. Murloc aggro. I don't think there's anyone who doesn't know this sound. The Murlocs are in my opinion the most annoying mobs in the game due to their big aggro area. They are in groups, so it is very difficult to recruit only one. As a rogue, you'd rather skip quests with Murlocs. Thank you for watching the video until the end. If you liked the video, don't forget to like or subscribe. If you have a suggestion for another video, write me it below the video. See you next time, bye.